Hello and welcome to Marty Motoring. Today we're going to take a look at the 2008 Lexus ISF and compare the exhaust sound to the 2007 Lexus IS350. Now the ISF has a Borla Catback exhaust while the IS350 has a F Sport Axleback. So let's see how they sound. So that's the difference between the IS350 with an exhaust and the ISF with an exhaust. Of course, these are only two of many different options, but they are the two popular and well-known ones. Let me know how you thought they sound in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and support the channel. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.